calculus and evaluating limits analytically. And we're going to be doing that one there. Alright, just making sure. So that looks like 17-2. There we go. Okay, we have the limit as x approaches the natural log of 21 of e raised to the 2x minus 441 over e raised to the x minus 21. I might have to write that down. Alright, let's bring up the whiteboard and erase that mess. I think that was the previous problem there. And trying to set some colors here. Okay. This is an interesting color, seafoam green, kinda. We have the limit as x approaches 0. No, x not approaching 0. I've been working too many problems where x is approaching 0. Sorry about that. Let's erase that. X approaching the natural log of 21. You're probably like, what in the world is that? And then we have e to the 2x minus 441 over e to the x minus 21. Alright, so if we were to take this natural log of 21 and plug it in up here, I guess we should probably do that. The natural log of 21. Seems like I'm half asleep or something. I don't know what's going on here. What's up? I've been up for a while. Okay, e, we're doing the direct substitution. 2 times the natural log of 21 and minus 441. It's all over e to the natural log of 21 minus 21. Now this up here can be rewritten as e to the, these are log properties here. You can take this and bring it up here, so this becomes 21 squared, okay, minus 441 over, and we're just rewriting this thing, the natural log of 21 minus 21. Now we're not going to get into all these log properties. At some point in time I'll have a section in the algebra section where you can go back and review your log properties. But e, when you have e raised to the natural log up here, what happens is this all just kind of collapses down to 21 raised to the second power. Collapses down to whatever this is right here. Alright, and this is calculus class, so and same thing goes on here. Like I said, by 2015, after the first of the year, I should have algebra, an algebra button where you can go down and review your log properties. Okay, so 21 squared is 441 minus, so you should have all known what was going to happen here. Of course, that's 0. So we end up with 0 over 0. And that means that we're going to need to do something. We're going to need to do something. And that something is let's try to factor this thing and cancel out like factors. Let's try to factor and cancel out some like factors. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and rewrite the limit as x approaches the natural log of 21, and we end up with e to the, well, we don't end up with anything. I'm just rewriting all this. And then we have e to the x minus 21. Okay, so rewriting, rewrite. The natural log of 21. So this here can be rewritten as e to the x squared minus, and 441 is 21 squared, okay? Already shown that. And it's over e to the x minus 21. So this is the difference of two squares up here in the numerator. We'll rewrite that again. The natural log of 21. And so this can be rewritten as e to the x minus 21. Huh. Yeah, e to the x, not e times x. E to the x minus 21 times e to the x plus 21. And of course it's all over e to the x minus 21. And now what we can do is finally we can cancel out some stuff. We'll cancel that out. And crud. What's going on here? Sorry about that. I lost my color. Then I got it back somehow. Where are we at here? Okay. I can rewrite this limit as x approaches the natural log of 21, and this is e to the x plus 21. We can finally do our direct substitution. We have e to the natural log of 21 plus 21. And of course this all collapses down to 21 plus 21, and we finally get 42. We finally get 42. My gosh. Okay. E to the natural log of 21 is equal to some x. We don't know what that x is, right? And this was actually something I probably wasn't even going to mention. But why did this all collapse down to 21? I think that's what I think that's what we were trying to figure out. Why did this equal 20? Why did this equal 21? I think that's what was going on there. But if you took the natural log of both sides, I've run out of room over here, and then if you took these properties here of the natural log function, you could bring the natural log of 21 out front. You end up with e, or the natural log of e is equal to, I should actually say x right here is what I should actually be writing right here, but I went ahead and just wrote, well, the natural log of x, I mean. I think I will. So what happens is, okay, so the natural log of e is 1. And obviously, if the natural log of 21 is going to equal the natural log of x, right, x has to be 21. I mean, x has to be 21. You got no other choice here. So that's kind of the logic behind that. Just by taking the natural log of both sides and saying, okay, and then knowing the fact that the natural log of e is 1, right? Anyway, I wasn't going to mention all that. I know that just makes this video much more longer. People start losing focus quickly. Anyway, 42, wasn't that our answer? Yeah. Just Just making sure, because that's what script says. Alright, okay. Sorry that was so long. See you there.